Detailed review of Apple's latest iPhone. Apple's latest iPhone is the iPhone 13, which was released in September 2021. The iPhone 13 boasts a range of advanced features and capabilities that make it a standout device in the crowded smartphone market. In this detailed review, we'll take a closer look at the iPhone 13 and explore its performance in various scenarios. One of the standout features of the iPhone 13 is its advanced camera system. The device features a dual camera system that includes a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 12-megapixel wide lens. Additionally, the camera system is equipped with advanced features such as night mode, deep fusion, and smart HDR4, which allow users to take stunning photos and videos even in low light conditions. The camera system also includes advanced optical image stabilization technology, which helps users capture clear and stable images and videos. Another impressive feature of the iPhone 13 is its powerful A15 Bionic chip. The chip is designed to deliver fast and efficient performance, allowing users to run demanding apps and games with ease. Additionally, the device features 5 grams connectivity, which allows for faster internet speeds and improved network performance. In terms of design, the iPhone 13 features a sleek and stylish design that is available in a range of colors. The device features a ceramic shield front cover, which provides added durability and protection against drops and scratches. Additionally, the device is water-resistant, with an IP68 rating that allows it to be submerged in up to 6 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. When it comes to display, the iPhone 13 features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display that delivers stunning visuals with true-to-life colors and deep blacks. The display is equipped with advanced technologies such as ProMotion, which allows for smoother scrolling and more responsive touch input. Additionally, the device features a new feature called Cinematic Mode, which allows users to capture professional quality videos with depth of field and focus transitions. Another important feature of the iPhone 13 is its battery life. The device features a larger battery than its predecessor, the iPhone 12, which allows for longer battery life and improved performance. Additionally, the device features fast charging technology, which allows users to charge the device up to 50% in just 30 minutes. When it comes to software, the iPhone 13 runs on iOS 15, which includes a range of new features and improvements. Some of the new features include updated FaceTime capabilities, improved notifications, and new privacy features that allow users to control their data and protect their privacy. One potential downside of the iPhone 13 is its price. The device is more expensive than some other smartphones on the market, which may be a concern for some users. However, considering its advanced features and capabilities, the iPhone 13 is a reasonable investment for those who want a high-quality smartphone that can deliver exceptional performance and convenience. Overall, the iPhone 13 is a high-quality smartphone that delivers on performance, design, and features. Its advanced camera system, powerful A15 Bionic chip, stunning display, improved battery life, and updated software make it a standout device in the smartphone market. While its higher price point may be a concern for some users, the advanced features and capabilities of the iPhone 13 make it a worthwhile investment for those who want a top-of-the-line smartphone that can keep up with their demanding needs and provide a superior